planted another pot, and I've got some scraps and some rubbish that I've got rid of during the week. So I'm going to put them in here. This is a new pot. If I can just, you can see there's nothing in the bottom there, just a bit of stuff fallen inside. So I'm going to put all this stuff in here, and I'll just show you. I've got onions and carrot and cauliflower, bit of paper, more veggies. This is mainly veggies, but look, a bit of old apple. There's lots of bread in here actually too, soggy bread. I've had these scraps sitting in this pot for a week now, so I'm just going to chuck them all in here. Looks disgusting. Oh, look, there's a whole banana. What a waste. And there we go. Now, this is hard to do this with one hand while filming. Throw my freshly cut grass and old grass over the top. And that's it, and we'll come back in a week and see what that's like as compared to the oranges and the pineapple. Here we are at the other pot. Look at that beautiful soil, how it just rots away. Fantastic. Oh, look at that, practically all gone. I have to look at the beginning of the video to see what the hell I put in here. But oh, look at that, beautiful. Looks disgusting, but it's working just how it should. If they're soldier fly larvae, I can't honestly tell. They look like big fat maggots, but it'd be perfect food for the birds. Let's see if the birds will eat it. They probably won't come because of the cats. No, they've disappeared. So you can see how that is really good. Ooh, mush, mush, mush. Yucky. But working away beautifully. So here we are 2 weeks later with our other pot. Let's have a look. Let's see what we've got here. It's pretty tricky doing this with one hand. Oh, look at that. Oh, remember how full that was before? Let's have a look. Oh, it's practically gone. There's the bottom of the pot. You see all the little greeblies in there? Do you remember how much we filled that up? Hardly any odour at all. It's teeming with life, just how it should look. I'll cover it up. We'll come back another week, see if we can see if it's completely gone. Here's the other pot, which of course only had fruit and veg in it. And pretty much just fruit and veg. Looks like it's turned to soil just about. It has just about. Oh, there you can see some soldier fly, big larva there. Yeah, see? Turning to soil. Fantastic. So again, you could probably empty that if you wanted to, or just keep filling it up. Me, I just keep filling it up because I don't have time. You see there's lots of nice little greeblies in there. It's amazing how much food there is actually to decompose. You can see, remembering how full it was, there's an eggshell. They don't decompose completely, but you can just crush them up once all the insides have been removed. So that's it. I'm ready to put more stuff in there actually. I wouldn't worry about leaving that any longer. Just fill it up again. There we go.